Welcome to our channel. If you want to explore and use the features of your AirPods Max, follow these step-by-step instructions to get the most out of your device. Step 1. Make sure your AirPods Max is properly set up and connected. Update the firmware if any updates are available. Step 2. Open the official app or access the device settings to explore available features and customization options. Step 3. Enable your desired features by toggling them on in the settings menu. Read the description of each feature to understand what it does. Step 4. Customize the feature settings according to your preferences. Adjust sensitivity, levels, or modes as needed. Step 5. Test the feature to see how it works in real-world scenarios. Make adjustments if the default settings don't meet your needs. Step 6. Explore additional features that complement the main functionality. Many devices have hidden or advanced features worth trying. Step 7. Save your custom settings and create profiles if the device supports multiple user configurations. Step 8. Refer to the user manual or online resources for tips on maximizing the benefits of each feature. Stay updated on new features through app updates. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.